Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022. Analysis of separation system characteristics in wheat milling applications.
OFCO partnership traces and screens all direct soy supplies in Brazil's Matopiba.
Recently, one 550 TPD waxy corn wet milling plant supplied by Mayan Group for a leading global ingredients manufacturer has been installed.
Off-season cover crops are expanding because U.S. farmers see a low-carbon future.
Scientists from BRRI have developed paddy harvesting machines in the country.
Meet Nurgal Atater, Global Marketing Communications Manager.
Norway pledges $5 million for IFAD aquaculture projects in East Africa.
Nepal, paddy production has declined by 7.84% due to off-season rains.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Mill Tech is Tanpul, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.